How to share screen on Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your screen on Google Meet step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, as you can see, I have already joined a group video chat in the Google Meet. So here, to share the video, you simply have to open the Google Meet video icon right here. And now here, once you are in this section, you just have to tap on the three dot icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on the send icon right here. And now here, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just check the box, and with that, you just have to tap on continue. And here on the next pop-up menu, you simply have to tap on start now. And once you do that, your video will start sharing your screen on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can share your screen on Google Meet app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.